All youth programs on Norwegian Cruise Lines will be fully open by June the 1st across their entire fleet. That's right. Well, right now it varies ship by ship depending on their crew levels, and that seems to be impacting a lot of different areas on the ship. But Carnival has made it a priority to try to get these youth programs back for the families. That's right, in time for the summer when so many people are cruising. The youth program is called the Splash Academy on Norwegian Cruise Lines, and it's a tiered based program where they have different activities for different youths. Those between 3 to 5 years old are called turtles. Those between 6 to 9 are called seals. Those 10 to 12 are called dolphins. And those 13 to 17 teenagers, they're part of the Entourage Club. For the Entourage Club, those youth there do have more mature themed activities such as sports activities, movies, late night dance parties for kids. There could be video games and so on. Right now, for the 3 to 5 year old turtles, well, capacity is being limited for those youth because at this time, those aged 3 to 5 are not required to be vaccinated. So that could be an issue when trying to make sure how many youth can get into that program. Recently, in March of 2022, we were on the NCL Joy, and I'm happy to say that we were successfully able to sign up my 15-year-old into the Entourage Club where he had activities every night. And quite honestly, he was the last one back to the room almost every night. He was enjoying having movie nights, the dance party, different games and activities, and it just wasn't late at night either. Throughout the day, they had different things going on for the youth as well. Now, I did take my 11-year-old son as well, and he was a little upset that there were no kids' activities for him. On the NCL Joy, to sign up for the Entourage Club, you had to go up to the Galaxy Pavilion. Now, the Galaxy Pavilion on the NCL Joy is a virtual arcade. All the games there have virtual headsets, where as you play them, you wear the VR headsets, and it's a fully immersive game. There's so many different games, including an F1 car you can sit in and get the full experience of driving it. While we were there signing up my teenager, they gave my 11-year-old a full day pass to the Galaxy Pavilion because they didn't have the Dolphins group open for him just yet. So he had a great day. Interestingly enough, we were supposed to stop at Costa Maya, but because of weather issues, we weren't able to dock. And my son somehow got a second day's pass to go up to the Galaxy Pavilion. He had so much fun. The great thing about being on the NCL Joy is that we were able to communicate through iMessage for free while on board, so we could still keep tabs of where he was. And I still found out how many times we went for a slice of that pizza. I have to say, the NCL Joy has some really good pizza. Anyway, I hope you like this video. If you do, please subscribe. Doesn't cost you anything. I'm trying to come out with good content for everybody. Anyway, good talking to you. Have a good day.